Hello adventure seekers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most mind-bending attraction in Orlando, Florida, WonderWorks. And no, your eyes aren't playing trick on you. This building is literally upside down. Let's talk about how you can get here. WonderWorks is right on International Drive, one of the Orlando's busiest hotspot. There's plenty of parking nearby with both street parking and garage available. Alright, let's check out this insane creation. What's the story behind it and what's inside? Stick around, I will tell you all about it. First, let's talk about the design from outside. It looks like it was ripped from the ground and flipped on its roof with massive cracks, broken beams, shattered window, upside down staircase and palm trees. But WonderWorks isn't just a cool looking building, it has a story. The idea came from Professor Wonder, a fictional scientist who was working on a top secret experiment inside the Bermuda Triangle. But something went wrong. A tornado sucked up his entire lab and dropped it right here in Orlando, completely upside down. Of course, that's just the fun backstory. The real creator of WonderWorks are architect Terrio Nicholson and Gibson Architect. And the first location was built in 1998. Since then, it's expanded to other cities, but the Orlando one is the most famous. So once you step inside, everything flips back to normal. WonderWorks is packed with over 100 interactive exhibits, perfect for curious mind of all ages. Some of the must-do attraction insights are the Hurricane Shack, the Bed of Nails, Astronaut Training, the glow-in-the-dark ropes course, the 4D motion theater. WonderWorks is the perfect mix of learning and fun. Just looking for something different to do in Orlando? This place is a must visit. So next time you are in the area, stop by and flip your world upside down. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome travel spots and let me know in the comment what the craziest attraction you have ever seen. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next adventure.